combination locks are important because they allow you to lock valuables and goods without carrying a key around like padlocks did in the early days. So padlocks were first originated around 1000 BC in Egypt and were improved upon greatly with the idea of a combination lock. So combination locks is the idea that you can unlock valuables and certain things without carrying around a key. So combination locks are significantly more complicated than padlocks and therefore harder to break into.
And the combination lock consists of 5 major parts. The first is the wheels. They're round wheels inside the lock that rotate when the drive cam rotates, and they're meant to unlock the lock. And the second is the spindle, which is connected to the knob and the drive cam. As the spindle turns, the drive cam rotates, which in turn rotates the wheels. And the next part is the drive cam, which is a round wheel on the back of the lock, which is used to spin the other wheels and ultimately unlock the lock. And the next part is the drive pin, which is a small tab on the drive cam that is used to tune the adjacent wheels as the drive cam is rotated. And the final part is the wheel fly, which are small tabs on each wheel that make contact with the drive pin until the other wheel flies to spin the wheels and unlock the lock.
The combination lock was an engineering problem because the invention of the lock was in response to people needed a physical and complex solution in order to be able to protect and secure their goods and valuables. The invention of the lock did not solve any cultural or impersonal or educational problems. We needed engineers in this invention as we cannot rely on changes in society or education in order to stop people from stealing or having access to things we wanted to keep safe.
New lock designs and solutions have resulted from the original invention of the lock. Today we have fingerprint scanners, password locks, and plenty of other designs to keep valuables safe.
So the real problem with padlocks was that we had to carry a key around. And an everyday problem in our life is losing keys and losing key cards like our buff on card and other sorts of keys. The design of the combination lock has allowed us to not carry keys around as often because they're basically a pain to keep carrying around and to keep losing them. The combination lock is revolutionary in the design of all sorts of new products.